Good morning, my dear students. Myself Sukhada Shah. I am going to teach you subject English. I am sure you all are very excited and eager to come to your school. But right now it is not possible. But we do understand your feelings. So we are starting with our digital classroom. I hope you all will enjoy learning digitally with us. Let us start quickly with our subject. Our topic for today is rain in the night. Unit 1, Rain in the Night. Raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitten wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I'll sell my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. But first I'll take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Poetess name Amelia Josephine Burr.
But first I'll take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Poetess name Amelia Josephine Burr.
Let us see the first stanza. Raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. This means it has been raining throughout the night. Sometimes it is loud, sometimes it is soft. This loud and soft combination reminds us about a song. Means when you hear the song, you can see the rhythm at times goes louder, at times the rhythm is soft. So, the noise of the rain, at times loud, at times soft, is making us feel like a beautiful song.
At times loud, at times soft, is making us feel like a beautiful song.
There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Now students, let's first see the difficult phrases in this stanza. Gutters. Gutters are the channels at the edge of a street that carry off water. Gutters are channels. Let me repeat. Gutters are the channels which you can see at the edge, at the end of the street, which carry off water. Lakes. Lakes are the big portion of water. Now, my dear children, when it rains heavily, these gutters they overflow because of the heavy rain, because of the rain water. They overflow. The level of water rises in this, and when you look at these gutters, you feel that it's like a river. So gutters get transformed into rivers. At times, when it rains heavily, the gutters overflow and you can see there is a water logging on the streets. And when you look at the streets, you feel that it's a lake.
You feel
So,
that
because of the heavy rain, what is happening? The gutters overflow like a river,
overflow
and lakes
like a river
street get transformed into lakes.
are transformed
In
into
this,
lakes.
our little kitty, you can see a cat picture over there? Yes.
You can see a
So she is a
picture over
kitty.
there.
This kitty, who is very lazy,
This
has
kitty
to
who is
wash
very
her
lazy
dirty feet.
has to
Because
wash
she
her
is very
dirty
lazy,
feet.
she don't want to wash her
Because she
feet.
is very
Now because
lazy,
of this
she don't want to wash
rainwater,
her feet.
indirectly
Because of
her
this
feet
rainwater,
are washed out.
indirectly her feet are washed out.
Third stanza. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court,
The
but
roses will
palaces
wear
are
diamonds
all get
like
muddy
kings and
because
queens.
they are so short.
Palaces are all get
Let me
muddy
explain you the
because
new
they
phrase
are so
here.
short.
Panacea. Pansies means
Let me
the
explain you.
flowers with purple, yellow or white velvety petals.
Flowers with
The
purple,
plants
yellow,
bearing such
or
flowers
white
are
velvety
called
petals.
pansies. They don't grow very
Bearing
tall,
such
they
flowers
grow
are
very
called
short.
pansies.
As you can see,
They don't grow
there is a
very
colorful
short.
flower
They
image.
grow
These
very
flowers
short.
are called
You can see
pansies.
there is a
My dear
colorful
children, you
flower
are aware of
image.
rose,
These
you are
flowers
aware
are
of
called
diamonds,
pansies.
you are aware
Let me tell you, you are
what is
aware of
king,
rose.
what is
You are
queen.
aware of
Yes,
diamonds.
the king and
You are
queen
aware
where they
what
sit
is known
and
as
the
king
people
and
come with their
queen.
difficulties or with their
The king
problems,
and queen where they
and the
sit
place where
and the
they solve
people come with
their
their
problems is
difficulties
called a
or with
court,
their problems
right?
and the place where they
Now,
solve their
this
problems
let us
is
see the
called a
meaning of
court,
this stanza.
right?
This stanza says
This
that the drops
the
of rain
meaning of this
water
stanza
on the roses will shine like
says
the
that the
diamonds
drops of rain
worn by
water
kings
on
and
the
queens
roses
at court.
will shine
You
like
might have seen
the
many movies
diamonds worn
of
by
king and
kings
queen.
and
You
queens
have
at court.
observed their
You might have seen many
jewelry made
movies
of diamonds.
of king and
You have
queen.
observed
You
their
have
dresses
observed
which are made
their
of diamonds,
jewelry
right?
made of diamonds.
So, when the
You have
drops of
observed their
rainwater
dresses
falls
which are
on
made of diamonds.
petals of roses, they
So,
appear
when the
like
drops of
diamond to us.
rainwater fall on
And these diamonds
petals of
remind us
roses,
of
they
the
appear
dresses
like
of
diamond to us.
king and
And these
queen, the
diamonds
diamonds
remind us
which are
of
placed on
the
dresses of king
dresses
and
of
queen.
king and queen, the
Next,
diamonds which are placed on dresses
pansies,
of king
they
and
get
queen.
muddy because they are too short. Because of the rainwater, force
Pansies,
of the
they get muddy
rainwater,
because they are
these short
too
plants, they
short.
get muddy.
Because of the rainwater, force of the rainwater, these short plants they get muddy.
Now, our last stanza. I'll sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful
Now, our
new
last
places,
stanza.
but
I'll
first
sail
I'll
my
take
boat
my
tomorrow
watering pot
in
and
wonderful
wash
new
the
places,
pansies' faces.
but first I'll take my
Here it
watering
means
pot and wash the pansies'
the
faces.
poet wishes to sail her boat the next day in a new
The
and
poet
wonderful
wishes to
places.
sail her boat the
But
next
before
day
that,
in a new
she
and
want to
wonderful
take her
places.
watering pot and
But
she want
before
to
that,
wash the
she
faces
want to
of the
take her watering
pansies.
pot and she want to wash the faces of the pansies.
Children, I'm sure you have understood the poem. Now, let us evaluate ourselves with the help of this question. My first question to you is, how long has it been raining? Yes, that's the correct answer. It has been raining all night long. Very good. Let's move on to second question. What effect will the rain have on the following? What will be effect of rain on the following. Okay, the first is kitty. What will be the effect of rain on the kitty? Very good. Kitty will wash his little dirty feet. What will be the effect of rain on the roses? Very good. Roses will wear diamonds. What will be the effect of rain on the pansies? Excellent. It will get muddy. My third question to you is, what is the child planning to do the next day? Very good. The child is planning to sail a boat in wonderful places. That's really very nice. Your answers have proved that you have understood the poem well. Now, after this video, you will also get a worksheet. In that worksheet, I have given question and answers. I would request you to copy that question and answer in your notebook. At last, I have also forwarded one question. It's a personal ended question in which you have to describe the surroundings when it is your surrounding when it is raining. You have to explain it in 3 to 5 lines. I hope you will enjoy this activity. Meet you in the next video. Till that, stay home, be safe. Bye.